What car show are we at now? Well, you got to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so when we post videos like this, and if we didn't win your subscription in this video, well, maybe in the next one I will. So I'm going to run the intro, and I'll be right back. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, this car show lands us at the Wayne County Fairgrounds for Keeping the Promise, and this is put on by the Veterans Promise, and that's an organization that helps veterans in need, that if they have any problems or need any kind of help, you can reach out to them and they'll point you in the right direction. And it's a foundation that's been around for a little bit of time, but I'm going to share their link in the description below. So if you know a veteran that needs any sort of help or anything like that, reach out to those guys. They'll point you in the right direction and whatnot. But we got the second gen Ram mud truck to show truck project vehicle with us. And before I'll show you all you guys that, let me show you who else is here with me. We have Wicked Stitches here with me. And they came out, and this car show also has vendors and lets you put on a little booth and stuff like that. But here they are. We have Megan, as you guys know Megan from the channel, and we have Leah. And these guys are Wicked Stitches, and they also help me and sell some of my my merchandise when we go to different car shows and things like that. So, like I said before, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. And like I said, if you do know a veteran that needs help, reach out to these people down below. Put their link in the top of the description so you can reach out to them and they'll help you. But we're going to get on with this car show, and we're going to start it off with the second gen. And then I'm going to go on to the Jeep, show you a little bit of table, and then we're going to do a walk around because there is also tractor pulls here and other stuff going on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
144.0. Alan Bennett with a nice looking 880. $169.03. That's your new leader right there, folks. Oh, there goes John Wedmore, giving it a little bit of the go back throttle. 168.83, 168.83, puts him in third place.
Well, there was a little walk around of this show out here at the Wayne County Fairgrounds in Honesdale, PA, and it's called Keeping the Promise. Definitely check it out and maybe put it on your list of things to do. And once again, if you know a veteran that needs help or in need of help or anything else, reach out to them. I'm going to put their link in the description below because we don't want to leave no veteran behind or anything like that. Well, I'm going to get back to watching some of the tractor pulls. I hope you like this video. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!